Hey, welcome to Design Guy. By the end, you'll know how to design eye-catching animated title slides from scratch. Click Create, then select Visuals option. Use the landscape visual in this tutorial. Next, open Elements and find the 4F background. Write the usage design in this section. Click the plus icon to add a new tab to your workspace. Type blur and press enter, then search for graphics to add elements here. Add blur elements to this area to enhance the visual effect. Apply a blur effect to the entire page to obscure all its content. Click on the option to hide this element as needed. Adjust the settings to ensure it is hidden according to your preferences. Next, we will duplicate the item to create an exact copy for further editing. Select the image and drag it to the right side. Duplicate the image, then drag the copy to the second page. This will be page 2. Drag the item down to this position. Duplicate this item as well. Click Matching Mode in this area, then increase the resolution to slow down the speed in the second section. Move the elements right to reposition them for better visibility on the screen. Select the text on the second page. Then lock this element to enable moving it without affecting other content. Click Lock Position, then select the text element as the first step. First, we will remove this item. Try to hold it in throughout the day. Move the elements locking the text into place. This arrangement should work correctly as intended. Play the animation now. Click the preview button to watch. You can also add a sound. Add an auxiliary track now. Next, add a solid music track to enhance the project. Select your preferred audio file, then import it into the timeline, adjusting the volume to balance with other elements. Ensure the music complements the overall tone. Let's try adding this audio file here. Increase the duration by adjusting the slider to a longer time. Click Preview to watch the content before proceeding. That's it. We can also add this one here. Add this to create a third page. Press Ctrl and D together. Drag this to the third page. Click the right arrow to continue. Adjust the position to ensure it is clear and properly aligned. Duplicate this, add a transition here, then move it and repeat the same process there. Next, create a reverse animation after the opening. Let's watch the video to see it in action. No text needed for thank you. Now you know how to make a creative animated title slide in Canva and subscribe for more fun design tips.